Machine learning, deep learning, and AI. What are they? What's the difference? And how do they differ from traditional programming? So, machine learning, referred to as ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence or AI that enables computers to learn patterns from data and make decisions without having been explicitly programmed to do so. So, let me break it down to you. So we can start first by defining what AI is. And it is when computers or machines are designed to think and learn like humans. An example of an AI project is ChatGPT, an AI that understands and generates a human-like text to help with writing, answering questions, and more. Machine learning, however, is a type of AI where computers learn from data instead of being exactly told what to do. One machine learning example is a movie recommendation system like the one in Netflix that uses machine learning to analyze what you watch. It learns your preferences and suggests shows or movies that you might like, and it improves the more you use it. Deep learning, however, is a type of ML that uses neural networks which work like a simplified human brain. Machine learning performs well with smaller datasets, while deep learning thrives with large datasets and improves as data increases. Machine learning is used in many fields, including healthcare, finance, marketing, engineering, and basically everywhere. So, what is the actual difference between machine learning and traditional programming? Let me tackle this topic for you. In a traditional programming approach, rules and logic are used to determine the output. Take the example of a spam classifier when you write a deterministic program that flags a mail as spam if it contains a fishy text like you won. A machine learning algorithm, however, learns from data to derive the rules and logic to determine the output. Taking the same example, spam detection, a machine learning algorithm will take some email where already we know if they are spam or not, try to find what makes an email spam, like the number of times the word you want did occur or the number of grammatical mistakes, then use the found results to predict future emails as spam or not. A machine learning pipeline is a step-by-step process used to build and deploy machine learning model. Let's walk through the main steps using our spam detection project as an example. Problem definition is the first step where we define the goal of the project. In our case, the goal is to build a model that can detect whether an email is spam or not. Next is data collection, where we gather a set of emails that have already been labeled as either spam or not spam. After collecting the data, we move to data pre-processing, which means cleaning the data, for example, removing special characters, links, or common words that don't add much value. Then comes feature engineering, where we turn raw emails into useful information, such as counting how many words are in an email or checking if certain spam-related words are used. In model selection, we choose a machine learning algorithm like naive Bayes or logistic regression that can learn from the data and make prediction. After choosing the model, we do training and evaluation by teaching the model using our labeled data and testing how well it performs using accuracy and different other metrics. Then we move to hyperparameter tuning, where we adjust the model settings to improve its performance. Finally, in deployment and monitoring phase, we put the model into a real email system so it can check new emails for spam, and we keep monitoring it to make sure it stays accurate over time.